Palantir stock pops on strong outlook amid AI boom. Palantir's PLTR, fourth quarter revenue and outlook for 2025 topped analysts' expectations, sending shares higher in extended trading Monday.
Palantir manages big Q4 earnings beat. Artificial intelligence (AI) and data analytics specialist Palantir Technologies (PLTR) 1.51%, reported fourth quarter and full year 2024 earnings on Monday, February 3rd, that topped analyst consensus top and bottom line estimates. Adjusted EPS reached 14 cents, outstripping the 11 cents estimate.
Palantir earnings top estimates. Full year 2025 revenue guidance beats. Palantir earnings for the December quarter topped estimates. Full year 2025 revenue guidance for Palantir stock beat expectations.
Why Tesla's stock tumbled after Trump tariff orders. Tesla, TSLA, was one of the worst-performing stocks in the S&P 500 on Monday, after President Trump went through with a plan to impose sweeping tariffs on America's largest trading partners.
Tesla versus JPMorgan. Two of world's largest companies show how investors favor growth over value. Tesla Inc. (TSLA), the eighth most valuable company in the world, is worth $1.24 trillion. Banking giant JPMorgan Chase & Company (JPM) ranks 13th, with a market cap of $749.15 billion.
Tesla sales dropped 12% in California. Is Elon Musk's support for Donald Trump hurting EV sales? Electric vehicle company Tesla Inc. (TSLA) saw sales in California drop in 2024, just as they did across the U.S.
More open-source AI is good for Apple, says T. Rowe Price's Dominic Rizzo. Dominic Rizzo, T. Rowe Price Global Technology Fund portfolio manager, joins Closing Bell Overtime to talk tech and tariffs.
Apple Q1. Consider option hedge. Amid tariff jitters, I have maintained a bullish stance on Apple stock, but recent developments prompt hedging considerations for the near-term. Apple's FYQ1 2025 earnings exceeded expectations, but I see good odds for a downward surprise in its upcoming FYQ2 2025 earnings. The leading factor for such a surprise is the potential of a tariff war between the major economies.
There's no guarantee Tim Cook can protect iPhones from Trump's China tariffs again. Analysts say Donald Trump's most recent tariffs on China put Apple's profitability at risk. Analysts say Apple previously avoided similar tariffs in 2019 after discussions between Cook and Trump.
Google cloud growth cost-cutting could drive fourth quarter earnings upside. Analysts believe Google's parent company Alphabet Inc. Nasdaq GOOG's cloud segment growth could drive upside in its earnings report due after Tuesday's closing bell. Analysts at Wedbush believe while digital advertising demand remains strong for both search and YouTube, we think it will be difficult for Alphabet to materially outperform expectations for advertising growth in the near term, given recent FX headwinds.
Alphabet faces scrutiny on AI spending as Google cloud growth slows. Alphabet will face investor scrutiny over its massive spending on AI when it reports earnings on Tuesday, as revenue growth at the Google parent likely slowed in the holiday quarter due to a slowdown in its advertising and cloud businesses.
Google to seek reversal of judge's App Store order. Google and Epic Games will reportedly be in court Monday, February 3rd, as Google seeks a reversal of a judge's order that it allow rival app stores with its Play Store.
Watch these NVIDIA stock price levels amid continued slump for AI favorite NVIDIA. NVDA shares fell Monday after the Trump administration said over the weekend it would impose tariffs on major trading partners, adding to the stock's steep losses last week that were fueled by concerns related to Chinese startup DeepSeek's low-cost AI model.
DeepSeek's AI shockwave hits NVIDIA hard, wiping out billions. The artificial intelligence (AI) revolution is moving at lightning speed, and one of the biggest stories from last week underscores just how critical the technology has become, not just for Silicon Valley, but for America's national security and global competitiveness.
NVIDIA gets the axe as Google, Meta lead the resistance. While NVIDIA stock has dropped off IBD leaderboard, Meta and Google show strength as Trump tariffs rattle the market. The post "NVIDIA gets the axe as Google, Meta lead the resistance" appeared first on Investors Business Daily.